Hello everyone, it's Haywood, and I'm going to show you guys and gals how to send and receive money with Zelle Pay. So right now, you want to go to zellepay.com. That's zellepay.com. You pull up this website here, and you can read over the website. And it is one of the best ways to send money to friends and family, or even pay for goods and services instantly. The money comes directly out of your bank account, goes directly into the person's bank account you're sending the money to, and within a few minutes. So go to zellepay.com, and you come to this website here. So let's drop down the page, how to send money with Zelle. You'll access Zelle. Now the first thing you want to do is download the Zelle app. Okay, go to the, and most banks nowadays already have Zelle Pay included in your bank's mobile app. Okay, so and I'll show you how to get that done to find out if your bank uses Zelle Pay. But like I said, get started by rolling your email or US mobile number through your mobile banking app with Zelle Pay. Then you pick a person to pay. Now, when you pick a person to pay, they need to be using Zelle also. And if they're not using Zelle, they're going to have to get the Zelle app to actually receive your number, but receive the funds you send them. And I use Zelle with my bank. So if anybody, let's say my mother wanted to send me $300 and she has Zelle with her bank also, she can send $300 of the money and be in my account within a few minutes. So all I have to do is give her my mobile number or my email address, and we'll show you how to set all that up. That's simple. You set it up. It's already, like I said, most banks now have the Zelle Pay app already included in your mobile banking. And you just simply choose the amount that you want to send. Now you have to check with your bank. I don't know if some banks have limits on what you can send. Have to check with your bank to make sure there's not a limit cap on what you send. But you can send and receive money instantly. It's very secure, very safe. I always recommend people do this. I also recommend people use it if you're selling goods and services or products or whatever, because this is a great way for people to pay you without even giving you their banking information, because it's coming from their banking. So you can watch the video here if you need to. I'm just going down the site quickly. Now let's go over these frequently asked questions here. Mainly the one I want to focus on: I'm receiving an error message that my card is ineligible. Why? It says, first, make sure that you're enrolling a Visa or MasterCard debit card tied to a bank account in the USA. You will not be able to enroll business debit cards, credit cards, or cards linked to international accounts, gift cards, prepaid cards from financial institutions outside the Zelle network. Now keep in mind, the Zelle network is connected to banks. That's why it's bank-to-bank wire. It's a bank-to-bank wire transfer system. And it's totally free, guys. Totally free. You can use Zelle anytime, totally free. And I do recommend you do this before you do a wire transfer from bank to bank. It costs you $15 or something, $20. So make sure you download the app, and you do that by clicking Get Started. And you find your bank. It'll find your bank, and they'll let you know which bank you can use online. So just for an example purposes, go to Get Started. And to get started with Zelle, and you find your bank. All right, and let's say we want to drop down and check out Bank of America, just for a very well-known bank here in America, Bank of America. And we click Bank of America, and it says Bank of America offers Zelle. You can use your banking app to send and receive money with Zelle. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue to your bank and log into your bank. Now you can do this from your cell phone, or you can do this here. So you're going to find your bank, list the banks by alphabetical order. And if you don't see your bank, you still can use Zelle. Okay, you still can use Zelle. And let's go over there how you're going to do that. So if you don't find your bank, if you find your bank, you're going to log into your banking app, and you should see the Zelle option, Zelle Pay option. You see it back there. I know I log into my bank on my phone. I see if it says Zelle, you click it and it'll have send money, and they're going to give you the option to add a contact. You simply add the contact's number, and or email, whatever how you want to add them, and that's going to have you choose the account you want to send the funds from, and as simple as that. How much you want to send it is there, and it'll be on their account. They don't have a Zelle account. Zelle will notify them instantly to set up an account so they can receive the funds. So let me show you an example how it looks on your cell phone. All right, here's a screenshot from my cell phone here, and they're gonna have you enter your mobile number and sign in. If you already signed up, you simply just click sign in after you enter a mobile number, and they'll confirm your mobile number by sending you a text message. And if you don't have an account, you're gonna click sign up and just register. Takes a few minutes. Register, and you have an account, and you click the disclosure agreements and agree to those, and you'll be ready to go. So this is how it looks when you hit that. This is a sign in page. If you don't have an account, just click sign up. Get a Zelle account anyway, because it's a great option to have. I do recommend it to send and receive money directly to from your bank account to their bank account and vice versa. Then once you sign in, you're going to get the option search for your bank. Remember, I just showed you search for your bank when I was on the regular website, zellepay.com. So if this was a cell phone, it's going to have the same thing. You're going to right here in the search box, simply type your bank name. If you can't find your bank name, they're going to give you a pop-up here, and you'll see the pop-up. So, but if we search for Bank of America, that'll pop up, and it'll pull up Bank of America. And let's say you have let's say for example purposes, your bank is called Goonie Bank, and somewhere in South Dakota, and then it doesn't have Zelle Pay. It's not Zelle Pay. They don't offer Zelle Pay in the mobile banking app, anything. You're gonna click Don't See Your Bank. Now, after you click this, that's gonna pop up a form, and it'll give you the option right there to add your debit card, name, email, and your information. Now, you still can send people money. You still can receive money from the Zelle Pay app. Now make sure, remember I told you it's a screenshot from my cell phone. So that means I have the app on my phone. So if you want to download the app, just go to the Google Play Store if you have Android, or go to your app store on any other phone you have. And type in Zelle Pay, and it'll pull up the app, download it. But if you don't see your bank, don't get frustrated. You still can use it because you're already signed in. You remember they verified your phone number. They're going to give you the option to add your debit card right here, and you'll still be able to send and receive funds using Zelle Pay. So simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful, and hope you opened your mind. If you're not using Zelle Pay right now to send and receive money, it's instant bank to bank. You should be using it. This is a great way to send your money securely and safely to anyone. Also, if you're in business selling products and services, whether you're in whatever affiliate marketing, real estate, whatever, this is another great way to receive money for the payment of goods and services, whatever real estate, whatever you offer. All right. And all you got to do is give them your cell phone number connected with your Zelle account, or your email connected with Zelle account, and you'll get that money instantly to your bank account. So I hope this video helped you make a decision on Zelle. And if you found this video informative, please subscribe to the channel and click like, subscribe, and comment if you've been using Zelle Pay. I want to hear from you guys out there if you've been using Zelle Pay, and have you been receiving your funds securely, instantly into your bank account within a few minutes. So with that, I'll leave you guys with that, and you stay safe out there.